Ever wondered why hotel bedrooms feel so much more luxurious than your own? Today, I'll show you how to recreate that 5-star hotel feeling at home, every single night. If there's one thing every luxurious hotel bedroom has in common, it's the bed, the star of the show. No matter where you travel, the moment you step into a high-end hotel room, your eyes are immediately drawn to the bed. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a statement, a promise of comfort, and the heart of the entire space. The bed sets the tone for the room, inviting you to relax, unwind, and escape from the outside world. Start with crisp white or soft neutral sheets for that fresh, cloud-like feeling. These colors aren't just about aesthetics. They evoke a sense of cleanliness and tranquility, instantly making your space feel more serene. The tactile sensation of slipping into freshly laundered, high-quality sheets is one of life's simplest luxuries, and it's the foundation of a hotel-inspired bed. Layer your bedding. Start with a fitted sheet, then a flat sheet, followed by a plush duvet or comforter. Add a textured throw or blanket at the foot of the bed for both warmth and visual interest. Layering isn't just about looks. It's about creating a cocoon of comfort that you can sink into at the end of a long day. Each layer adds depth and dimension, making your bed look inviting and thoughtfully put together. Pillows are essential for both comfort and style. For that hotel look, use 2 large Euroshams at the back to provide height and structure. In front of those, place 2 standard pillows. These are your everyday sleeping pillows. Then, finish with 2 decorative pillows or accent cushions that reflect your personality or tie in with your room's color scheme. Don't be afraid to play with different textures and fabrics, like velvet, linen, or silk, to add a touch of luxury and individuality. The arrangement of your pillows can make a huge difference. Stack or prop them neatly, and don't overcrowd. Balance is key. The right combination creates a sense of abundance and comfort, just like you'd find in a 5-star suite. Keep your palette calm, ivory, soft grey, taupe, or pure white, to help you relax. These hues are timeless and universally soothing, making your bedroom feel like a peaceful retreat. If you want to add a pop of color, do so with subtle accents like a throw or a cushion, but let the main bedding remain understated and elegant. Invest in a great mattress and quality pillows. Even a mattress topper can add plushness. The foundation of a truly luxurious bed is comfort, and nothing beats the feeling of sinking into a supportive, cloud-like mattress at the end of the day. If a new mattress isn't in your budget, a high-quality mattress topper can make a world of difference, adding softness and support. When choosing pillows, consider your sleeping style, side, back, or stomach, and select the right firmness for optimal support. Down, memory foam, or hypoallergenic options can all contribute to a restful night's sleep. Don't underestimate the impact of quality bedding on your overall well-being. Iron your pillowcases and sheets for that extra touch of hotel luxury. Smooth, wrinkle-free bedding not only looks beautiful, but also feels incredible against your skin. Taking the time to press your linens elevates the entire experience, making your bed feel truly special. Tuck in your sheets tightly. Hospital corners keep everything crisp and inviting. This classic technique, used by hotels around the world, ensures your bedding stays in place and looks immaculate. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the overall presentation of your bed. For an added layer of luxury, consider using a linen spray or placing a lavender sachet between your pillows. A subtle, calming scent can enhance your sleep and make your bed feel even more inviting. Make your bed every morning. It instantly elevates your space and sets your mind at ease. This simple habit not only keeps your room looking polished, but also creates a sense of order and accomplishment to start your day. The bed is the non-negotiable centerpiece. Everything else in the room should complement and highlight it, from your nightstands to your lighting. Arrange your furniture so the bed remains the focal point, drawing you in and inviting you to relax. When you get it right, your bedroom transforms from ordinary to extraordinary. A thoughtfully made bed doesn't just look beautiful, it feels like a daily indulgence, turning your bedroom into a personal sanctuary where you can truly unwind and recharge. Let's talk about the single most dramatic upgrade you can make to your bedroom, the headboard. While many people focus on bedding or wall color, the headboard is truly the centerpiece that can instantly elevate the entire space. It's the first thing your eyes are drawn to when you walk into the room, setting the tone for everything else. Whether your style is modern, classic, or somewhere in between, a statement headboard can completely transform the atmosphere and make your bedroom feel like a luxurious retreat. A tall, upholstered headboard adds height, texture, and a sense of grandeur. The vertical lines draw your gaze upward, making the room feel more spacious and elegant. Upholstery brings in softness and comfort, inviting you to lean back and relax with a good book or your morning coffee. Choose fabrics like velvet, linen, or even leather for a tactile experience that feels indulgent every time you enter the room. Stick with neutral colors, soft grays, beiges, or deep navy for timeless style. These shades create a calming backdrop and allow you to easily switch up your bedding or decor without clashing. Neutrals also help the headboard stand out as a sophisticated focal point, rather than competing with other elements in the room. If you want a bit more drama, consider a rich, deep hue that still feels classic. If you already have a headboard, consider reupholstering it for a fresh look. This is a budget-friendly way to update your space without buying new furniture. Choose a fabric that complements your current decor, or go bold with a new texture or color. Reupholstering can also add extra padding, making your headboard even more comfortable for lounging. No headboard? Try DIY panels or a hanging textile for instant luxury. Large fabric panels, a vintage rug, or even a woven tapestry can create a custom look that's both affordable and unique. These options are perfect for renters or anyone who loves to change up their style frequently. Plus, they add color, pattern, and personality to your bedroom without a permanent commitment. Aim for a headboard at least 48 inches tall for maximum impact. The extra height makes your bed feel grand and anchors the room visually. If your ceilings are high, don't be afraid to go even taller for a truly dramatic effect. Just make sure the proportions work with your bed and the overall size of your space. Add subtle details like nail head trim or channel tufting, but keep it simple. These finishing touches add interest and texture without overwhelming the design. Clean lines and understated embellishments ensure your headboard remains elegant and timeless, rather than trendy or fussy. Even in a small space, a dramatic headboard transforms your bed into a true retreat. It creates a cozy nook that feels intentional and inviting, making your bedroom a place you genuinely look forward to spending time in. Don't be afraid to go bold, even if your room is compact. A statement headboard can actually make the space feel larger and more cohesive. Ultimately, the headboard is the frame that pulls your bedroom oasis together. It's the anchor that defines your sleeping space, adds personality, and elevates the entire room. Whether you choose a plush upholstered design, a creative DIY solution, or a classic wooden piece, investing in a dramatic headboard is the easiest way to make your bedroom feel truly special. One of the quickest and most effective ways to transform your bedroom into a space that feels like a high-end hotel suite is by embracing the power of symmetry. Symmetry is a design principle that instantly elevates any room, creating a sense of order, calm, and effortless sophistication. When you walk into a hotel room, you'll often notice how everything seems perfectly balanced. This isn't by accident. It's a deliberate choice that makes the space feel inviting and luxurious. Start by placing matching nightstands and identical lamps on either side of your bed. This simple step creates instant order and balance, making the room feel thoughtfully designed. Even if your bedroom is small, this trick works wonders by visually expanding the space and making it feel more put together. Our eyes naturally crave harmony, and mirrored sides help achieve that. When both sides of the bed echo each other, the room feels calm, intentional, and serene. This sense of balance is what makes hotel rooms so relaxing and inviting. Choose bedside tables that match in height and style, even if they're simple or budget-friendly. The key is consistency. Matching pieces create a cohesive look that feels elevated, no matter the price point. Add matching lamps for a polished, designer look. Lighting is crucial in setting the mood, and symmetrical lighting not only looks beautiful, but also provides balanced illumination for reading or relaxing. If you have the space, consider placing a pair of benches or stools at the foot of your bed. This adds a tailored, custom touch that's often seen in luxury suites. It's not just about looks. These pieces can also serve as practical spots for putting on shoes or laying out clothes. Symmetry isn't limited to furniture. Try hanging artwork or mirrors in pairs above your bed or on either side of the room. This reinforces the sense of balance and draws the eye, making the space feel curated and intentional. Symmetry also helps contain chaos and makes tidying up easier. When everything has its place and is mirrored on both sides, it's much simpler to keep the room looking neat and organized. If you can't match everything exactly, don't worry. Just keep the scale and color similar for visual balance. Coordinated but not identical pieces can still create a harmonious look, especially when you repeat shapes or finishes. Even small details like throw pillows or blankets can be arranged symmetrically to reinforce the effect. Layering matching textiles on both sides of the bed adds to the sense of luxury and comfort. This subtle detail is truly the backbone of that serene hotel suite experience. By embracing symmetry, you'll create a bedroom that feels peaceful, balanced, and effortlessly stylish, just like your favorite luxury getaway. Lighting can make or break your bedroom oasis. Hotel rooms always have soft, warm, perfectly placed lighting for relaxation. Choose lamps so the bottom of the shade is level with your pillow when sitting up. Use warm bulbs between 2700K and 3000K for a gentle, flattering glow. Lamp bases should anchor the space without overpowering your nightstand. Add dimmers or smart bulbs for customizable ambiance. Layer your lighting. Consider a sconce, pendant, or even a candle for extra softness. Perfect bedside lighting transforms your evening routine and sets the tone for rest. Hotel rooms feel luxurious because surfaces are immaculate, no clutter in sight. Clear your nightstands and only keep essentials. A tray, a book, maybe a candle. Extend this to dressers. Tuck away makeup, receipts, and odds and ends. Hide cords and chargers in a box or charging station. One beautiful vase or arrangement is better than a dozen scattered objects. This isn't about being cold. It's about making room for calm and rest. Make tidying up part of your routine. The payoff is huge. Get creative with storage baskets, bins, or benches with compartments. The result? A restful, intentional, truly luxurious bedroom. Now that you know the secrets, try one tip, or go all in, and watch your bedroom transform. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, but a space that feels perfectly yours. You deserve to feel like you're on vacation every night, right at home. So go ahead, make your bed, fluff those pillows, and sink into that 5-star feeling.